What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be washing the Z. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be using today. Nothing complicated, your standard two bucket method. I've got a couple wheel brushes here to clean the wheels properly. Washing sponges. I got some microfiber cloths. Tire shine. Interior detailer, quick spray on wax from Meguiar's, wheel and rim cleaner, and of course your soap and just your standard window cleaner as well. So nothing complicated, even just using a regular hose as well with a regular nozzle. Don't have a pressure washer, or I don't have a foam cannon either, but this will do the trick. So I like to go from top to bottom, whether I'm rinsing the car or applying soap. Let's get started. Alright guys, car is rinsed down, time to dry. Alright guys, just finished up drying the car. Looking a lot better, but we are not done yet. I gotta put on the Meguiar's Quick Wax and clean the inside. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Quick Wax. Very easy to use. Spray it on and wipe down twice. I'll show you guys in a second. And then got the interior detailer as well to clean the inside. So yeah, let's keep it going. So as you guys might be able to see, it is getting a bit dark out. I'll have to cut this video a bit short. Still gotta clean the inside, nothing crazy, just gotta do a quick wipe down, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll post a link to all the products I use down below. Nothing crazy, just the basic maintenance wash you can do every week, or every few weeks, depending on how much you drive the car, how much it rains, etc. So again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.